Enjoy fantastic water views of Barrington Harbor from this beautiful waterfront property with a detached 2-car garage and a private dock. Spacious rooms filled with natural light make up the home's open floor plan, making it ideal for entertaining. Host gatherings in the large living room with a stunning marble fireplace or in the abutting sunlit family room with a wall of windows. The kitchen has been updated with a backsplash and granite countertops and enjoys a breakfast area flooded with light from sliding doors that open to the in-ground pool. The first floor also includes a dining room and a convenient half bath. Glass doors exit out to the enclosed in-ground pool area, surrounded by a warm patio where you can relax with family and friends. The master suite features cathedral ceilings, abundant closet space, and a full bath. A private balcony in the master suite allows you to sit back and watch the boats in the harbor. Completing the second floor are 3 additional bedrooms and a second full bath. Located just steps from Police Cove Park, this home provides fantastic walkability. Across the street is the East Bay Bike Path, a great way to walk into town where you can shop at all the local businesses or visit the town library. Barrington Yacht Club is directly across the harbor, which opens out into Narragansett Bay. The Barrington school system is nationally acclaimed, including nearby Nayet School, an award-winning elementary school. This quiet town is only a 20-minute commute from Providence and its renowned entertainment and dining options. For more information, please visit the property website or call Ted Friedman at area code 401-864-0269.